Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to explain to you how you can change the batteries for your Meta Quest 3 controller. Now keep in mind this is a bit different. You see this little button there? This is a button that you need to press in order to remove the controller's cover. You press it, hold it, and then push the cover back down. This is of course different compared to the Quest 2 controller where there wasn't any button and you just needed to slide, maybe slightly push and slide it down. Here, don't do it. You need to press the button, hold it, and then slide it down. You can actually see that the battery there, the minus and plus signs for the AA battery. So you need to align it properly and then slide it just back. You don't need to press the button again, just slide the cover back to its original place. You can also see again, both controllers have this little button. So again, make sure to use it in order to open the cover. Don't put force into it. It's supposed to slide out very easily. In fact, if you try to slide it without actually pressing the button, it won't actually work. It actually gets stuck. So again, don't do it. Make sure to use the button. Again, I'm going to show you again. If I try without it, it won't actually open. So again, you can see if I try to open it without actually pressing the button, it won't nudge. Again, tap the button and move the cover down. It should just go slip down very easily. Here you go. Just make sure to pay attention again to the right orientation when putting the AA battery in. Again, this is not a AAA, this is a AA battery. You can easily remove it, by the way, with your finger. And you can see that there's kind of a more protruding part. This is where the minus sign goes. Just put it in, push it a bit in, and insert the battery like that. You should also see, by the way, a little light as you see in there, and also a little vibration. This means that the controller is actually working, and then you can put the cover back. Hope you find this one useful. Give a like if you did. Thanks for watching, everybody. I see you on the next guide. Cheers.